Hello and a very warm welcome to the second main topic of GRE Quant Reasoning section, that is algebra. Now, we are already familiar with algebra because we have used it in the previous few videos, that is in time, speed and distance video tutorial and time and work. But in this tutorial, we are going to be discussing algebraic equations and a few questions based on algebra. So let's start off with our first slide. Now, on GRE test, you may be given a problem in a statement form which you will have to convert into an equation, or you may be asked to solve an equation. For the former, you need to interpret the statement and then write an equation for solving it. Now you see simple words like sum of 4 and 9 means 4 plus 9, which is equal to 13. A statement saying sum of a number and 9 means x, y, or any variable plus 9. Now, if it says sum of a number and 9 equals 15, that means a variable plus 9 is equal to 15. And a variable may be represented by an alphabet, that is A, B, C, X, Y, Z, or any other alphabet, right? Now, when we talk about terms, we must know that addition and subtraction signs separate the terms, while multiplication and division do not. Like x plus 5 are two terms, while 5 over x is one term. Let's move on to our second slide. Let us now see what like and unlike terms are. If two or more terms have the same variables and the same powers, they are called like terms. For example, 9xy and 18xy. Each of the terms have two variables x and y, and their powers are the same too. The power of x in each term is 1, and the power of y in each term is 1 as well in each case. The coefficients can be different, but the variables and their powers have to be the same. Unlike terms may have same variables but not same powers, that is 3xy square and 6x square y cubed. Also, unlike terms may not have same variables, that is 9xy and 10yz, or 9xy and 9z, etc., etc. Now kindly note that we can add or subtract the like terms, that is 9xy plus 18xy is equal to 27xy. And 18xy minus 9xy is equal to 9xy. But 3xy square plus 6x square y cubed cannot be added, as the power of their variables is not the same. Now, in case of multiplication, we group each variable. For example, if we have 4xy square into 3x square y cubed, what we're going to do is we're going to group the coefficients and the same variables. That is 4 into 3 into x square into y square into y cubed, which is equal to 12x cubed y 5, right? Like multiplication, we will apply the same rule of grouping in division too. For example, if we have 21a cubed b squared divided by 7a squared b squared, we will group the coefficients and the same variables to get 3a. Same goes for 16a squared b4 plus 8a cubed b cubed plus 4ab cubed divided by 4ab squared, which gives us 4ab squared plus 2a squared b plus b. Let us now do a quantitative comparison question which says that 0 is less than x, which is less than y, which is less than z, which is less than 1. Now, the values of x, y, and z lie between 0 and 1. In column A, we're given x into y divided by z, and in column B, we're given 1. Now, to simplify x into y divided by z, we will first multiply both the columns by z. So in column A, we left with x into y, and in column B, we get z. Now, according to a mathematical rule, if x is between 0 and 1 and y is also between 0 and 1, then x into y will be less than x and x into y will be less than 1, which means that x into y is less than z. So our answer would be option B, which is column B is greater than column A. Let us do another very interesting quantitative comparison question, which says that the product of x, y and z is between 0 and 1. In column A, we given x into y over z, and in column B, we given 1. Now, in order to solve for x into y over z, we suppose to take random values of variables. So we're going to take different values of x, y and z to understand it. So if x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0.5 and z is equal to 0.005, then x into y into z will be equal to 0.025. And xy over z will be equal to 1000, which is obviously greater than column B, that is 1. Now, if we interchange the values of x and z, that is, if x is equal to 0.005 and z is equal to 10, and the value of y remains the same, that is 0.5, then the product of x, y and z will be the same, that is, it will be equal to 0.025. But x into y over z will be equal to 0.00025, which is less than 1, which is less than column B, that is, right? Now, if we take any other value of x or y or z, we're going to get different answers for x into y over z. In some cases, it will be greater than 1. In others, it will be less than 1. So, this means that the relationship between column A and column B cannot be established. Hence, our answer will be choice D. This is also a quantitative comparison question, but it's different from the previous two because this question has two equations, that is minus 2a plus 3b is equal to minus 1 and minus 3a plus 4b is equal to 3. In column A, we given a minus b, and in column B, we given minus 6. Now, you see, in questions like these, you first need to look at the equations. You see, if we subtract the second equation from the first equation, we get a minus b, which is equal to minus 4. So, the value of a minus b is equal to minus 4. Now, our second step should be to draw a number line. And if you look at the number line, you see that minus 4 is greater than minus 6, right? So, our answer should be A. That is, column A is greater than column B, right? Have you got this question? It's very interesting. The quantitative comparison questions are very easy to solve. This concludes our first video tutorial on algebra. I hope you've understood it well. In the upcoming videos, we're going to learn more about algebra and algebraic equations. So please stay tuned to this channel, keep watching this channel, and best of luck to you. Goodbye for now, and thank you very much.